welcome back to my channel. My name is Anaya, and if you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all already know the drill, girl. If you are a returning craft bestie, put a pink heart, and if you're a new craft bestie, put a yellow heart. And hey girl, tell by today's title, I am on my Zoom and I have whips to finish. I started working on this shawl. As y'all can see, I know, real tea, real cutesy, but I'm gonna challenge myself to see how much I can, how much can I crochet in an hour. Sometimes I have a hard time sitting and crocheting mindless. Sometimes I don't use my crochet time wisely. So I want to see how much I can get done in an hour just in one sitting. You get what I'm saying? Because usually I break out my crochet times, and girl, it's the holidays. I don't have time for that. I need to finish my whips and do what I gotta do. So I'm gonna crochet for an hour straight. No getting up, no phone, no nothing. I could put some TV on, or I could put some music on, but no phone, no nothing. Straight through 1 hour. It might not sound like a lot, but my thing is I get up and I do 1,000 other things in between crochet time. So unless I really hyper fixate on a project, I won't sit and crochet it through. But this is what I have so far. Not that big, and I am using a 6.50. Don't ask why. I couldn't even tell you why. I was laying in bed and I had to grab the closest hook possible because it was just on my mind. I couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep. I had to make it. I had to start it. If you are like me, girl, and you consistently get up and do X, Y, and Z instead of doing what you're supposed to do, you need to be doing this challenge too, boo. Because we about to get out of that. If you crocheting, you need to sit down and crochet. And you better have your hook right now. And you better be finishing them projects. Because I know y'all probably still got gifts y'all didn't finish. And I did not finish mine either, so 2 peas in a pod. This is what we got. Can we get into the color scheme? I got this from Michael's, and I'm not really cutting nothing off, doing all that to get the perfect color scheme. I'm not doing none of that. We're gonna go until we don't have no more of this. Well, no, we're not gonna go until we don't have no more of this. We're gonna crochet for an hour, and then we're gonna see what we got. And yeah, and I think I want to add a peacock or something type of stitch to the side to give it that jazzy look. It's just regular granny clusters, and I think I want to jazz it up a little bit. I just want to jazz it up a little bit. I will be wearing it as a hair wrap as well. If my edges look a little crispy, you too close, back up. We besties. You shouldn't be, we're not gonna clock that tea. So I'm procrastinating once again, so let's get started. Okay, so let's get started, girl. I have stuff to do other than this. I know myself, and I know I'm gonna end up getting up, but I'm gonna force myself to sit here and get this done, honey. Okay, before we start any timers, let's count how many rows we have. I didn't finish this row, and it's literally unraveling. So let's count how many rows. Okay, I got 18 rows, so this is what it's looking like. This is how much yarn we got. Okay, we're gonna go. Should we do a stopwatch or a timer? I'm gonna do a timer. Hour. That's it, boo. One hour. Getting scared, girl. Just crochet. So, y'all, what's tea? Christmas is literally tomorrow. It's literally Christmas Eve, and I still haven't finished crochet gifts. I'm just doing one more crochet gift, and that's it. That's all. That's all. I'm using a 6.50. I don't know if I said that, but I think I am gonna start using bigger hook sizes sometimes, depending on the project, because I feel like I just be sticking with my 5mm hook, and I just feel like, girl, some projects you can upsize that hook. This is definitely a project you can upsize your hook, because it really don't have to be. I don't really care about too much wind getting in it. A little shawl, triangle scarf moment. I don't know if I want it to be a triangle scarf or a shawl. Same thing. Look at me, I just be making stuff. Don't even know what I'm making. Trying to get into wearing my crochet pieces more, and I feel like I'm doing great at it. Even if it's like the most littlest piece of crochet, I've been wearing it, and I am so proud of that because, girl, you're not making this stuff for nothing. Go wear what you making. Wear what you make, boo. Row 19. Fun fact, I didn't even know I could do this. Not gonna lie. I didn't look up any tutorials. It's basically just a big old triangle, y'all. Big old triangle. I made triangle granny squares before, but I didn't remember like what I did. So when I did it, I was just sitting right here and I just said, let me try before I always like to try to make stuff before I look up a pattern or tutorial or anything. I don't know if that's just me. I got the timer on. It's making me want to crochet faster than what I normally do when I'm just chilling. So I just feel like if I'm moving a little fast, it's because it's the adrenaline. Which is why I like doing these, because I get so much done. This is a good challenge because if you tend to get on your phone and do all kind of stuff when you're trying to have crochet time, this is good for you because you never really realize how much you take pauses in what you're doing. Like, yeah, take breaks when you're crocheting, but realize how much you stop doing what you're supposed to be doing until you do stuff like this. I'll update y'all when we like 30 minutes in. It's not like no extreme cool pattern, like repetitive. It's not nothing exciting. Okay, calling y'all back with 30 minutes. You been 30 minutes down. 30, yes, 30 so far. Does it look like we made progress? It don't look like we made progress, but look at the yarn. I'm low-key running out. I'm gonna have to steam this, and I might have to add like a different, girl, this, that don't got nothing to do with y'all. We did 4 rows because we had, how many? We had 22 rows. So we did 4 rows, and if I was using the smaller hook, I probably wouldn't be running out of yarn. And I can't get more of this yarn because I got it when I was in New York. So here doing this is actually very therapeutic. I love crocheting granny clusters because it's just so effortless. You don't have to think, you don't have to count. Only thing you got to pay attention to is your increase stitches, and that's not too bad. So honestly, I might crochet until the skein ends. This took about a skein and a half almost, because the last skein, it wasn't that big. It didn't have that much yarn. So then I'm dang near finna use this whole skein. So, and this, it matches, so like it's just so, sometimes I like to just sit here in silence and crochet, like just listen to my bangles, not bangles, this is not no bangles, my bracelets, or listen to my nails. That's why I like having long nails when I crochet. I got some short nails right now, but whenever I have my long nails, I don't need music. I don't need to watch nothing. Like, it just put me like in like a trance, and I just don't want to stop because I just like the way the clinking and clacking sound. We're at 26 minutes and 31 seconds. The pressure, honestly, the way this yarn looking, I don't even think I'm gonna have enough. I don't even think I'm gonna have enough to get to the 26. I think I'm gonna have enough to finish. I'm not really trying to play yarn chicken. Oh, timestamp, it is currently 10:42. I'm gonna call y'all when we get, I'm gonna call y'all when I call y'all. Okay, so we got 19 minutes left. Running out of yarn. Running out of yarn. Not even running out. Ooh, this is all we have. I'm not even finna start another row, because what am I possibly gonna do with this? Nothing. So this is how much we got. I think, I don't know what I think. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. All right, we got 24 rows. So that means we did like what, 6 rows, I think. 20 minutes left. We got 20, not even 20, we got 19 minutes left until we make an hour. So this is how much I crocheted. I wonder what it looked like before these rows. And I'm gonna steam it. Yeah, I think once I steam it, it's gonna give me some slack, or no? Come on, help me, help me. Baby shawl. This is a baby shawl. Is it cute? It's cute. What I could possibly do is I could possibly add in this. It's a whole different texture. I know. It's a different texture, but it's the same color scheme. It's the same color scheme if you think about it. Like, they basically cousins, just different textures. I don't know. Let me see. I'm gonna do a roll of this and we'll see how it looks. So I'm gonna do a roll and then I'm scared, but look, it matches perfectly. Like, it blends perfectly. It'll just add some texture to it, which will be cool, and it'll be out of my comfort zone, and it might be one of my best crochet projects. So I don't want to doubt myself. I think I just want to try, and then if it's ugly, we can frog it. Like, it's not that serious, girl. It's not. So I'm gonna add some this next yarn to it, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all and we're gonna see what it's giving. Can you focus, please? That'd be nice. So honestly, you can't tell from afar, so I'm gonna keep going. I am gonna keep going. And I probably should downsize my hook, but like, girl, you not really used it for this long, you might as well keep going. So I don't really know how big I want the shawl. I don't really know how many rows I want to go. I don't even know if it's a scarf or a shawl. Like, I'm just crocheting. We're just vibing. What time is it? How much time we got on clock? We got 14 minutes left. I really don't crochet that fast. Like, it took me an hour almost to do about 7 rows because I'm almost done with this row. Like, is that bad? Is that good? It's really no good or bad because, like, it's just crocheting. Crochet at your own pace. But, like, is that normal? But I feel like, shout out to me for having this other scheme. This is so cute. I love this. I love these colors. Like, I be trying to free myself from colors like this. I feel like they just look so good on me. Like, they just go so good. They just go so good. Like, you know how you have those specific colors, like it's an automatic buy. I feel like these shades is an automatic buy for me because, like, they just be looking so good and I be seeing the potential. So I'm gonna finish doing this, and this was so clutch, bro. Like, I was finna cry. Like, oh, girl, I really wanted it to be bigger, so I was so sad because I really want like a good shawl to just throw on. I'm trying to hurry up and finish it for Christmas, so like while the baby's opening gifts, I can have my shawl on. I think I just want to be grandma so bad. Like, I am the grandma of the family. Like, I'm grandma at this point, cause what's going on? The timer went off, and I just want to say, colors are blending well. Like, tell me they're not. Tell me you're lying. You're lying if you say they aren't. We did 26 rows. So in an hour I did about 8 rows. That's all I got. That's all I got. I'm not gonna finish it with y'all. I'm gonna steam it, and y'all will probably see it in Craft Miss. So watch Craft Miss if you haven't, because you'll see the finished product there, boo. So this was definitely a fun little challenge to force myself to just sit here and get something done for once. And still not done, but we got a lot done. So we're gonna give ourselves grace. Give yourself grace. I love you. This is the end. Yeah, this was fun. Definitely, y'all should definitely do this. If you can't, and just like add an hour, add, you know, keep adding. But I don't got time for all that. So I love you, and you know we go together. What? Rubber bag. Kisses, kisses, kisses. See you when I see you, girl.